Hey everyone, and welcome back to Let's Learn. Today we re-diving into something that every OnePlus user has been eagerly waiting for. The official release of OxygenOS 16. This massive update, based on Android 16, is jam-packed with smart AI features. A totally redesigned user interface, big performance upgrades, and crucial security improvements. So, if you're using a OnePlus device or even thinking about getting one, this video will give you everything you need to know. Let's get started, OnePlus fans. Get ready to mark your calendars because OxygenOS 16 is almost here. This could be one of the biggest updates OnePlus has ever released, powered by deep AI integration. In this video, we're going to explore all the key features, the list of supported devices, the official rollout timeline, and even some of the hidden changes and potential issues you should watch out for. So, when is it coming? OxygenOS 16 is officially launching on October 16, 2025. OnePlus has confirmed that the first wave of the rollout will begin in India, with other regions following soon after. The launch teaser even has the tagline "Intelligently Yours," which is a clear nod to all the new AI-driven features baked right into the system. The very first phones to get the update will be the OnePlus 13 series, which have already gone through closed beta testing. After that, the update will start rolling out to other eligible devices. But, as always, the exact timing will depend on your region and your mobile carrier, so keep that in mind. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. What's new in OxygenOS 16? First up, the headline feature is the AI and Gemini integration. OnePlus is embedding Google's powerful Gemini AI directly into its OxygenOS MindSpace. This is a set of features that adds smart context-aware tools to your phone. For example, if you write a note about planning a trip, the system might proactively offer AI-powered suggestions like creating a travel itinerary, finding hotel options, or even booking flights. This AI integration also extends to communication. Features like AI call summaries and real-time in-call translation could soon be available, and not just in the native phone app, but in third-party apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. Imagine understanding a call in another language instantly. That's the future we're talking about. Next, a massive visual overhaul is on its way. OxygenOS 16 is bringing smoother and more refined animations across the entire interface. Everything from app transitions to simple swipe gestures will feel more fluid and responsive. The Quick Settings panel is also getting a redesign, giving you more control and customization options to access your most chosen toggles faster. The lock screen is getting some major love, too. We're talking about a full-screen, always-on display with interactive widgets. You'll be able to see your calendar, the weather, battery info, and more, all without unlocking your phone. Plus, for real-time tasks like tracking your food delivery or your rideshare, you'll see live updates directly on your lock screen, which is incredibly convenient. Now, Let's talk about privacy and security, because this is a big one. OxygenOS 16 will inherit all of Android 16's core security improvements. This includes features like automatically resetting permissions for apps you haven't used in a while, new sandboxing methods to isolate apps and protect your data, and a much stronger defense against malware. More importantly, this update is expected to include a critical fix for the recently discovered SMS and telephony vulnerability that affected several previous OxygenOS versions. This bug allowed malicious apps to access your private SMS and MMS messages without any permission. So, for your own privacy and safety, upgrading to OxygenOS 16 is going to be essential. Of course, performance and battery life are getting some serious boosts as well. You can expect better memory optimization, which means faster app launches and smoother multitasking. The system will also be smarter about how it uses the battery. Features like adaptive charging, which learns your charging habits to reduce wear and tear, and options to set charging limits, for example. Capping the battery at 80 or 90% are also expected. This is great for preserving your battery's long-term health. And for all the gamers out there, you're in for a treat. OxygenOS 16 includes a more advanced game dashboard, better refresh rate handling for silky smooth gameplay, and customizable performance profiles. This means you can fine-tune your phone's settings to get the best possible gaming experience, whether you prioritize performance or battery life. Okay, so which phones will actually get the update? While the final official list hasn't been released yet, based on OnePlus's update policy and recent leaks, these are the models that are highly likely to receive OxygenOS 16. This includes the entire OnePlus 13 series, the 13, 13R, and 13S. Following them will be the OnePlus 12 and 12R, and the OnePlus 11 and 11R. Select Nord series devices will also get the update, as will the OnePlus Pad and the OnePlus Open. However, it looks like older devices such as the OnePlus 10 Pro, the OnePlus One OT, the Nord 2T, and any earlier Nord phones are reportedly not eligible for this update. So, if you're using one of those older models, it might be time to start thinking about an upgrade. When the update is ready for your device, you'll get an OTA or over-the-air notification. When it arrives, the first thing you should do is back up all your important data, just in case. If you feel like the update is taking too long to arrive in your region, you could try using third-party apps like the Oxygen Update, but please use caution and double-check that your specific phone model is supported before you proceed. Now, let's be realistic. Every major software update has its pros and cons. On the pro side, you're getting deep AI integration with Gemini, a much smoother UI with beautiful animations, significantly enhanced privacy and security, cool new lock screen capabilities, and smarter battery management. These are all fantastic improvements. On the downside, the first release of OxygenOS 16 might come with some bugs, app crashes, or compatibility issues. That's pretty common with new software. Also, some of the headline AI features might be limited to newer devices or only be available in certain regions at launch. And as our phones get smarter with more AI, it becomes more important to understand what data is being collected and how it's being used. So, if you're a privacy-conscious user, take some time to explore the new permissions and settings after you update. I have a few final tips and predictions for you. First, expect some features, especially the Gemini AI tools, to launch in phases, not all at once. Also, there will likely be regional differences in both the rollout schedule and the feature set. If your device is on the edge of eligibility, keep a close eye on official OnePlus announcements and community forums for the latest news. And finally, unless you're an experienced user who is comfortable troubleshooting potential bugs, it's probably best to wait a few days after the release before you install the update. This gives you a chance to see if any major issues are reported for your specific device. So, to wrap things up, OxygenOS 16 looks like a bold and exciting step forward for OnePlus. With its powerful AI tools, crucial security improvements, stunning visual upgrades, and smart performance tweaks, it has the potential to completely reshape how we interact with our phones. Whether you're a power user or just someone looking for a more fluid and secure experience, this is definitely an update worth watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's learn for more updates on tech, software, and all things digital. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.